Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Canva Affinity tutorial. Getting started with Affinity for design is simple and powerful. First, download the app from the official Affinity website, choosing the right version for your system, Windows, Mac, Intel, or AMD. Sign up for free and launch the program after installation. Once inside, you can import Canva style templates in formats like AF Design, AF Photo, or AF Publisher, giving you access to advanced tools such as vectors, pixel editing, layouts, color grading, and retouching. Affinity offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy to transition from Canva, while providing greater control for high-quality exports, printing, and template creation without a subscription. Many designers combine Canva for quick social posts and Affinity for details edits, enjoying faster performance and advanced effects. Explore the app to unlock its full potential and elevate your designs efficiently. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.